Hi, love. Welcome to day 14 of Rise of the Magnetic Woman. Yesterday, we explored softness in a hard world. And softness is important because abundance can't flow into a heart covered in armor. Today, we talk about what blocks your abundance, whether it is in love, money, or even time. And more importantly, how to start unblocking it. So, first, let us understand what are abundance blocks. Abundance blocks are the invisible walls between you and the flow of life. They show up like, when you say, I am not worthy of love, or you say, money comes only through hard work or through a lot of struggle. When you say, I don't have time for myself. These are not just thoughts. They live in your nervous system, your habits, and your energy. Until you bring them to light, they'll keep repeating. So, in Indian mythology, Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth. Most of us know that. The goddess of wealth, prosperity, and harmony. She flows where there is gratitude, balance, and respect for what we already have. But how many of you know that Lakshmi has a sister? She's called Alakshmi. Alakshmi brings poverty, quarrel, and misfortune. The two of them cannot stay in the same place. So when a household is filled with complaints, jealousy, or misuse of resources, Alakshmi enters and Lakshmi departs. However, when there is gratitude, generosity, and alignment, Lakshmi returns and abundance flows again. This story of Lakshmi and Alakshmi shows us something very powerful. One, that abundance cannot stay where the energy is blocked by fear, lack, or mistrust. It also tells us that the moment we soften into gratitude and openness, abundance flows back in. So now let us understand the three common abundance blocks. The first abundance block is a block that we have is about money. The block can look like us having this belief that money is hard to earn, or I have the money but it doesn't stay with me, or a thought like money will corrupt me. The result is you undercharge, you self-sabotage, or you fear receiving more. Now let's see how love is blocked. When you think of yourself as too much, or when you look at someone and you feel that, I am not enough for this person's love, or you have experienced a lot of heartbreak in love and you say that love always hurts. The result is that you settle or push away love when it comes to you. The third element is time, and let's see how you block that. When you tell yourself that I don't deserve rest, or when you start putting everyone else first, and you feel that as a mother, as a woman, you need to sacrifice, that's when you block the time also. So what is the result? The result is that you overgive, leaving yourself last on your list. What is the root to all this? The root to all this is unworthiness. When you believe you don't deserve, you block what's already yours. So now let's look at the day 14 practice and how we can spot and soften our blocks. Sit quietly with your hand on your heart and womb. Now whisper to yourself, abundance is my birthright. Where am I blocking it? Abundance is my birthright. Where am I blocking it? Notice the first thought, feeling, or image that comes up, whether it's about money, love, or time. So you can do some journaling also with this prompt. one block I notice is, or one small way I can soften this block today is, and you fill in the blanks. I'll just give you a few examples of how you can soften the block. So if your block is, I never have time for myself, give yourself 5 minutes today to pause, breathe, or even if you're sipping your tea or coffee, do it slowly. If your block is, I don't deserve love, look in the mirror and say, I am worthy of love exactly as I am. If your block is money is hard to earn or money does not remain with me, allow yourself to receive something today. Something small. It could be a compliment, a helping hand. So I also figured out when I was doing the receiving element video earlier that many of you said I didn't receive anything today. If you didn't receive anything, ask for help. Ask for a compliment or a helping hand, a gift, whatever it is, without guilt, and receive it without guilt. So my love, abundance is not far away. It's right here. But it will not fight with your blocks. It waits for you to open. So today, be brave enough to name your block. And softer still, take one tiny step to loosen this block. If this touched you, comment below with one block you're already ready to soften. Like this video and share it with a sister who needs this reminder. Tomorrow, we'll close this 14 days with a powerful integration practice, which I call the magnetism mirror ritual. So I'll see you in that video now.